I'm so excited to bring this video to you, and it is much needed for me. This is motivation and do it power for me, so I hope it is for you. I am cleaning my refrigerator. So we got a new fridge after we got married and I really like it, but it's pretty dirty, so I need to clean it and throw away old food, organize it, like literally disinfect the shelves, that type of thing. So you're gonna see that. Your refrigerator. Have you ever disinfected your refrigerator? Let me know. Here is the cleaning party. Okay, here's what we're gonna do with our refrigerator cleaning. So I really need to get the old food out before the garbage comes. We're gonna be sad probably with how much food I'm wasting. I know. Leftovers, sometimes they don't just get eaten. But here's what we're throwing away. I know. Like it? Alright, so the fridge is clean on the inside and I wiped it down on the outside. I need to change what we're having for dinner this week. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment what your favorite family recipe is, because I am running out of ideas. I'm really glad I did that. It just feels cleaner. I know what's in there now, and I'm gonna give you one last sneak peek of our fridge before it gets messy again because we're living and that's life. Mm.